Hi guys! Today I'm going to share with you my own way of making Filipinos' ultimate holiday dessert. It is buko salad that is so creamy and I know that you'll surely love. So here are the ingredients that we will be needing. We will be needing buko strips or shredded young coconut, rinsed and drained. Then afterwards, mildly squeeze because it will still extract its liquid over time. This procedure will help us having the right consistency when it comes to creaminess. Next is our sweetened nata de coco. I also drained its liquid. We have to be sure that our ingredients has to be drained properly. I usually use mixing spoon with a filter, so you can always drain it for the last time before combining it along with other ingredients. Another one that has to be drained is our whole kernel corn. I will tell you some tips that I've been doing every time I make this dessert. And here it is. I usually use this drained liquid from our ingredients to avoid it from being thrown away. I make it gulaman or jelly at times, or I can even use it as a marinade liquid for my grilled beef sirloin, or any kind of meat that has to be cooked right away. And next is our drained fruit cocktail in can. You can also add sugar palm fruit or kaong, but since my fruit salad already has it, so I don't need to put some more. Next is our cheese, sliced into small cubes. It also adds creaminess in our dessert and a bit of salty taste. So it's not buko salad for me without cheese. Next is our condensed milk. It serves as our sugar in this recipe. We have to chill it at least for an hour in order to thicken our cream when we are combining it already with our cream later. Next is our chilled all-purpose cream. And lastly is our raisins to be added, of course. And finally, let's get ready with our electric beater. We're going to combine all our ingredients, whip the cream and everything. So, let's start! In our chilled mixing bowl, let's put in our all-purpose cream and we're going to whip it using our electric beater. I usually whip it for at least 2 minutes because our cream is already chilled So it's easy to whip and easy to attain or soft peak. So finally, here's what we're waiting for. Soft and stable peak. Our cream doesn't fall down easily. So now we're going to combine our condensed milk. So after mixing our cream and condensed milk together, we're going to get another bowl for our remaining ingredients. So you just have to follow this procedure until we finish combining it all together. And finally, it's already done and you can chill it overnight. And here's the finished product. As you can see, after we chilled it, it does look so creamy enough like an ice cream. And I hope you like my recipe and my procedure. Until my next recipe to share with you guys, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell for more upcoming recipes. Thank you!